friends. Today you get to make your graduation person that goes along with the writing about the thing that you love the most about kindergarten. You have smaller pieces, but I forgot to copy an extra. So I have the master copies. I'm going to quick go through what you need to do, but then I'm going to go to the other kindergarten class, snap a picture of one of theirs, and then show you what the finished product is going to look like. I color-coded the copy that you got in your mailbox. If you are a boy, you are going to be wearing a blue gown at graduation, and your hat will be blue. And I don't know how they do the kindergarten tassels. I know for mine, when I graduated high school, my tassel was both blue and yellow. But we'll see how that goes. So you have a gown. This is your graduation gown. Yours is either blue or yellow. If you're a boy, it's blue. If you're a girl, it's yellow. You're going to cut only around this outer black line. You're going to only cut the outside of it, okay? This is your body. You have a small little black piece with two little half circle things. These are your shoes. So you're going to cut out your two little circles, and they go to the bottom of your gown, kind of like this, okay? You can glue them on the front or on the back. That's your choice. The color of your hat matches your gown. You only have one, not three. You're going to cut, again, that outer dark line out, okay? This is your hat. This is where you needed the picture of yourself, too. And I'll show you a kindergarten one. But you're going to take your picture of your face. You're going to cut just your face out. And you're going to glue your face to the top of your gown. And then on top of your head, you're going to glue your hat. Then this is the tricky part. If you have something and you have some string, you can use string to make a real tassel. If you want to use the paper tassel, that's what this is for. So you can cut it out, kind of cut like a straighter line here. You can glue it to this little dot on your hat. If you have like a brad type thing, you can also do that. So that way it's movable, but it doesn't need to be movable. So if you just want to cut it out and glue it to this circle right here, that's fine too. Okay? You don't really need to color it because that's what you're gonna, it already is colored for you. So really, this is just cutting and gluing. So I'm gonna go and run down and take a picture of what a finished one looks like, and then I'll insert that picture right below here so that way you can see that. And I'm so excited to see your pictures of you in your gowns, but more importantly, I'm excited to see the actual you in your gowns at graduation, which is coming up. You all should be so proud of yourself. I am proud of you. You guys have done a wonderful job this year. Have a great day, friends.